Sit in any comfortable position for starting the class. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. Om. 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 योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचाम् मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तम् प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ओम। Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Bali Yoga School.
Yes.
What was our yesterday topic?
Yesterday's topic was the column,
Which
the
column?
vertebrae column.
Yeah, vertebral column. How many vertebrae are there in vertebral column?
It's 33 vertebrals or 26 bones.
Yes. How many vertebrae there in sacrum?
In sacrum, it's 5.
5. And in coccyx?
4.
4. How many vertebrae in cervical region?
In cervical,
Yeah.
it's 7.
7. And in lumbar,
5.
5. What is the name of first vertebra?
The first in the whole vertebral column,
Yeah,
it's the atlas.
atlas. And the name of second vertebra?
Second, yeah, axis.
Axis. Good. Now our today's topic is thoracic cage. Thoracic cage, that is rib cage. THORACIC. Our vertebral column function completed or not? Bali Yoga School.
Can you repeat the question?
The vertebral column function completed or not?
The functions.
Yeah, function of vertebral column. Yesterday, in yesterday class completed or not?
I think we completed. The last thing that you said was intervertebral
Yeah.
discs act as shock absorbers. That's the last thing that you said.
Okay, thank you. So write down thoracic cage. THORACIC. Thoracic cage. Thoracic cage has 25 bones. Thoracic cage has 25 bones. (24 ribs and 1 sternum). 24 ribs and 1 sternum. It is divided into two groups. Ribs and sternum. Ribs and sternum. 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 Now write down the first one. Ribs. RIBS. Is this diagram visible?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Here upper side vertebral column is there. Upper part of vertebral column, and below downside lower part of vertebral column. There is sternum in front of chest, also known as breastbone. This middle bone, long bone. And there is 7 true ribs. 12 pair of ribs are present there. 12 pair means 24 ribs. 12 pair left side, 12 pair right side. 12 left side, 12 right side. Total 12 pair. In 12 pair, first to 7th ribs are true ribs because they directly make connection with sternum, and 8th, 9th and 10th ribs are false ribs because they attach first to each other, and after that they attach with 7th rib and make connection to sternum. 11th and 12th ribs are floating ribs because they don't make connection with any rib or sternum. Clear? If you want to,
how many false ribs?
3, 8, 9th and 10th.
Oh, okay, thanks.
If you want to draw the diagram, you can draw. It is easy. First to seventh rib make direct connection to sternum. 8th, 9th, and 10th, they will make connection to each other. Means 8th rib make connection to 7th rib, 9th rib connect to 8th rib, and 10th rib connects to 9th rib, and they all together connects with sternum through 7th rib. Are you drawing?
Yes.
Okay. When completed, tell me.
And the false ribs are connected to what?
False ribs are connected with each other. Means
Ah, okay.
8th, 9th, 10th are false ribs. So 8th rib connects to 7th rib, 9th rib connects to 8th rib, and 10th rib connects to 9th rib. And they all together make connection with sternum through 7th rib. Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
and we're done.
Done.
Yeah, we are done. You can continue.
Okay. So write down ribs. Ribs are divided into three parts. There are, first write down, there are 12 pair of ribs. There are 12 pair of ribs. And this 12 pair of ribs divided into three parts. 12 pair of ribs divided into three parts. True ribs. First one is true ribs. Second is false ribs. Second is false ribs. And third is floating ribs. Third is floating ribs. Write down the first one, true ribs. First rib to seventh rib, first rib to seventh rib are known as true ribs. First rib to seventh rib are known as true ribs. Because they make direct connection because they make direct connection with sternum, sternum through hyaline cartilage, HYALINE. First rib to seventh rib are true ribs because they make direct connection with sternum through hyaline cartilage, HYALINE, hyaline cartilage, CARTILAGE. Clear?
Yes.
What is cartilage?
What in cartilage is?
Yeah, what is cartilage?
It's the direct connection with the sternum.
No.
Then I don't know.
I asked the definition of cartilage. What is cartilage?
The what?
Between muscles and bone.
I don't know.
Cartilage is a tissue that is harder than muscle, but softer than bone.
Not me. It's like the
Okay.
Yeah.
Cartilage is the tissue that is harder than muscle, but softer than bone. And bone is the hardest tissue in human body. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
So 1 to 7th ribs are true ribs because they make direct connection with sternum through hyaline cartilage. The cartilage name is hyaline. 8th, 9th, and 10th ribs are false ribs. Second point, false ribs. Write down second point, false ribs. Eighth, 9th, and 10th ribs are false ribs. Because they don't make direct connection with sternum. Because they don't make direct connection with sternum. First, they connect to each other. Means 8th rib connect to 7th rib, 9th rib connect to 8th rib, and 10th rib connects to 9th rib. And they all together make connection with sternum, and they all together make connection with sternum through 7th rib. They all together make connection with sternum through 7th rib. Clear? Bali Yoga School.
Yep, clear.
Okay. Third point is floating ribs. FLOATING, floating ribs. The 11th and 12th ribs, the 11th and 12th ribs are floating ribs because they don't make connection, with any rib or sternum. They don't make connection with any rib or sternum. So they known floating ribs, 11th and 12th ribs. Now write down, first rib is the smallest rib and more carved. First rib is the smallest rib and more carved. CURVED, carved. The 7th rib is the longest and biggest rib. The 7th rib is the longest and biggest rib. Completed?
Yep.
Okay. Now write down next point, sternum. 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 It is a flat bone. It is a flat bone, 15 centimeter in length, and lies, LIES, lies at the center front of thoracic area. At the center front of thoracic area. Known as breastbone. Known as breastbone. The sternum also divided into three parts. The sternum also divided into 3 parts. The first part is manubrium, manubrium. The first part is manubrium, manu, the upper part. manubrium. The first part is manubrium, also called prosternum, prosternum, prosternum. The second part is the main body of sternum. Second part is the main body of sternum. Also known as mesosternum, mesosternum, mesosternum. And the third part, that is tip of sternum, and the third part, that is tip of sternum, named Xiphisternum, Xiphisternum, Xiphi, sternum, Xiphisternum. Also known as xiphoid process, xiphoid process, xiphoid, xiphoid process, process. Xiphisternum, also known as xiphoid process. It found in the form of hyaline cartilage. It found in the form of hyaline, hyaline cartilage in early age. At the age of 35 to 40, at the age of 35 to 40, the hyaline cartilage converts into bone. At the age of 35 to 40, the hyaline cartilage, means Xiphisternum, which is found in the form of hyaline cartilage, converts into bone. Clear? Bali Yoga School.
Yeah, everything's clear.
Okay. Now write down the function of thoracic cage. Function of thoracic cage. Thoracic cage protects organs of thoracic cavity. Thoracic cage protects organs of thoracic cavity. It plays role in the breathing. It plays role in the breathing. It plays role in the breathing means when we inhale, our ribs are expanding, and when we exhale, they're relaxing. It supports the shoulder girdle and upper limb. It supports or provides support. It provides support to shoulder girdle and upper limb. It also provides attachment. It also provides attachment to diaphragm, diaphragm. It also provides attachment to diaphragm and the muscles of back, chest, neck and shoulders, and the muscles of back, neck, chest and shoulders. It also provides the muscles of back, chest, neck and shoulder. They provide attachment to diaphragm and muscles of back, neck, chest and shoulder. 11th and 12th ribs. 11th and 12th ribs protects the kidney. 11th and 12th ribs protects the kidney. Clear?
Yes.
So revise once again. There is 25 bones in thoracic cage, 24 ribs and 1 sternum, 12 pair of ribs present there in thoracic cage. First to 7th ribs are true ribs because they make direct connection with sternum through hyaline cartilage. 8th, 9th and 10th ribs are false ribs because they don't make connection directly with the sternum. They first connect to each other. 8th, 9th, and 10th ribs connect to each other, and they all together make connection with the sternum through 7th rib. 11th and 12th ribs are floating ribs because they don't have connection with any rib or sternum. The sternum also divided into 3 parts. The first part, upper part, is manubrium or prosternum. Second part is the main body or mesosternum, and third part, that is the tip of sternum, is Ziphisternum or xiphoid process, which is found in the form of hyaline cartilage in early age, and at the age of 35 to 40, it converts into bone. 11th and 12th ribs protects the kidney, and the whole thoracic cage provide attachment point for diaphragm and the muscles of back, chest, neck, and shoulder. They also play a role in breathing, and thoracic cage protects the organ present inside the thoracic cavity. Any question?
No.
Everything is clear?
Yes.
Thank you.
So this was all about thoracic cage. Now sit in any comfortable position for closing the session. Spine straight, adopt chin mudra, eyes closed. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Inhale, exhale. Inhale for one time Om, followed by closing mantra. Om. Closing mantra, repeat after me. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukh bhag bhavet. Om. Santi, Santi, Santi. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.